Hello everyone. In this presentation, we will discuss the concept of agents of socialization. Agents of socialization are the people and institutions that help individuals learn the values, norms, and behaviors of society. We already discussed meaning and concept of socialization in previous video. We know socialization is the process through which individuals learn the culture, values, and acceptable behavior of their society. It helps individuals become active members of society. This process begins in childhood and continues throughout life. Various agents of socialization help individuals learn and adapt to social expectations. Social agents are divided into groups. One is primary agent. Another is secondary group. Family is the first and most influential agent of socialization. The family is the smallest unit of society and represents it in all respects. It is the locus of early socialization or the internalization of basic values of culture because the child is most plastic and exposed for longest independent relationship with parents. The basic requirements involved in walking, talking, playing with other children, eating, toilet training and generally dealing with adults are learned in an informal way. The family is also the source of internalization of the basic cultural vocabulary of the child. Children learn language, manners, traditions, and cultural values within the family. Parents and siblings guide children and act as role models for their behavior. Secondary social agents are peer group, school, mass media. A peer group consists of friends of the same age who interact regularly. Through peer groups, children learn teamwork, cooperation, and independence. Peer influence becomes stronger during adolescence. Children like to play and move about in group of their age peers. This group life is very important for them and has considerable influence on the development of their self-concepts. Being in a group gives them confidence and a sense of security. Being accepted by a group builds up their self-confidence. Particularly those who are popular learn to think positively of themselves. In playing together, children learn to cooperate. They learn to adjust their needs and desires to the behavior of peers. In a very real sense, the child begins to develop a sense of self as distinct from the family. Another socialization agent is school. Schools play an important role in socialization. They provide formal education as well as social learning. Students learn discipline, responsibility, teamwork, and respect through interaction with teachers and classmates. Mass media is a powerful agent of socialization. Television, social media, films, and newspapers influence people's ideas, beliefs, and attitudes. Media plays a major role in shaping modern culture and social awareness. In modern society, the means of mass communication such as television, radio, cinema, newspaper, books, and audio-video cassettes have become an integral part of life. They play a very important role in the socialization process of their viewer, readers, and listeners. These mass media, especially the television and radio, simultaneously convey same message to nationwide audience. Therefore, its impact on the process of socialization assumes greater significance. In conclusion, socialization is essential for the development of an individual's personality. Various agents such as family, peer groups, schools, and mass media work together to shape behavior, values, and social understanding. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.